I'm filming my JVC set here from a JVC tuner and a JVC integrated amplifier. Very beautiful piece. Very nice looking piece, guys. Made in Japan. We have the tuner here, the JT-V11G. And we have the JA-S55 stereo integrated amplifier. Very nice piece, guys. Now I do have two of this integrated amplifier. The other one I have, that's the JA, what is that? JA, it's a, look the same, guys, with my other, my other integrated amplifier. This is JA-22. Similarity, guys, the only difference is with the button here. And the 55, guys, this S55 throws more power than my JA-S22. Very nice sound, guys. The clarity of this JVC, guys, is just amazing. And I pay $150 for this JVC. And this is already integrated, which is the integrated, guys, it costs more money than receiver. And the bigger the better, and the bigger costs more money. So it's already understood that the integrated amplifier are more expensive than stereo receivers. Very nice looking piece, guys. And I listened to the sound of this tuner already with my JVC, and I still want to let you guys listen to the radio, the sound of this JVC set that I have here. So let's turn it on, guys. Okay, there we go. And let's put a tuner. Okay, so right now, guys, it's playing a song. YouTube guys don't really want you to film and record the sound, the song, that it doesn't belong to you. So we will wait in a few minutes, guys, and we're gonna listen to the sound of this JVC tuner and the integrated amplifier. So I bought this, guys, from the guy. It's because this JVC, guys, it's not in eBay anymore, and it's hard to find nowadays. And they do have a different models, which is it's gonna cost $400, $500. It comes with the equalizer on the side and more knobs from the JVC. And I don't want to pay $500 for amplifier, so I decided to pay the guy for $150, which is not bad. And the other thing, guys, that I like about this is because I did not pay for the shipping and handling, because they are heavy, so it costs more money, and they charge more money for the shipping and handling. And of course, guys, you know, they charge a little bit more, so the other extra money from the shipping, of course, they put it in their pockets. That's how it is. They profit, yeah. So very cool piece, guys. And another good score here from the JVC setup. Very nice. And let's find some station here, guys. I want you guys to listen to the sound of the JVC. Yeah. So not really receiving.
What is your packing and unpacking
Right.
modus operandi? Do you unpack the minute you get to a place? Do you let somebody else unpack for you? Do you pack
So
randomly throw?
let's go back to the station.
On the count of
So right now, guys, they're not really not talking
pretty
very
face,
much.
no waist.
Um, Here it is, the JVC, and another setup here, another collections that I bought, and I'm gonna add it to my collections, guys. So very cool piece, yeah. And I'm happy that I have this now, this JA-S55, because I was really thinking about this even last month to buy this from the guy that I know. So finally I bought it, and now it's mine. So in 2 weeks it's my birthday, so this is my birthday gift for me, and I'm happy about it. Yeah. And later on, guys, I'm gonna do another video. I'm gonna clean the inside of this integrated amplifier. Yeah, so this is another project. So for now, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, and I'll see you if I get a new video, and stay tuned. So thanks for watching. So for now, I say bye bye.